శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. నమో భగవతే ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. So today the attempt is to cut through all of the Ayodhya Kanda from Sri Adhyatma Ramayana. So Ayodhya Kanda is having 9 sargas in Adhyatma Ramayana. So it goes again the spiritual side of the Ramayana. So we have to do the Anvaya, means reconcile between what is said in Valmiki Ramayana and some components from the Maharamayana of Yoga Vasishtha, and then wherever something is not fitting or not understood properly, these 2 layers of spiritual layer of Rama, who is Paramatma, and as he is acting, what has happened, the Gadha, the actual incidents, how they take place, what is going on, how it is going, is we have to take it from Valmiki Ramayana. And the spiritual significance, the background, some of those things we have to take it from Adhyatma Ramayana. Adhyatma Ramayana, as I have been telling, is having several stotras. So here we will skim through some of those key points, how they go through, run the Ayodhya Kanda, so Rama's Pattabhisheka, and then going to the forest aspects. And finally, the main part today is the Kaikeyi's Stotra. That is what is going to be covered today. So Prathama Sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana goes as Narada coming to Rama to remind him that he has come here on a mission and perform that activity. So once Narada has come, and Narada does when Narada comes, Narada is Rishi and Rama is a prince sitting in there. Actually Rama says Adham tam Narado. So he says Atastvadarsanadeva Krutardhosmi Munishwara Kim Karyante Maya Karyam Bruhitat Karavani Bho. So, O Maharshi, O Munishwara, Atastvadarsanadeva, by seeing you now, I have become Krutardhosmi Munishwara. So what Kim Karyam, by what means, why did you arrive here? What is the reason bringing you here? Adhatam Narado Praha Raghavam Bhaktavatsalam Kim Mohayasi Mam Rama Vakyair Lokanusaribhihi. So why are you trying to delude me, O Rama, by talking like this, like an ordinary person? Samsaryahamati Paroktam Sattvametattvaya Vibho Jagatam Adibhutaya Sa Maya Gruhini Tava. So you are the Prathama Purusha and Maya is Gruhini to you. So he goes on saying that all the Lokes Trivachakam Yavat Sarvam Janaki Subha Punnama Vachakam Yavat Sarvam Tvam Hi Raghava. So wherever there is a Stri Vachakam, feminine gender is used, that is Janaki only, that is your wife. And Punnama Vachakam, wherever a male form, masculine form is used, Yavat Sarvam Tvam Hi Raghava, all that is you only in reality. Tasmal Lokasraya Deva Yuvabhyam Nasti Kinchana. So the whole of the world is filled with both of you, either as Prakruti or as Purusha, consciousness. All consciousness is you, all the Prakriti is your wife Janaki. Ahankarascha buddhischa panchendriyani cha lingamityutyate prajnair janma mrutyu sukhadimat. So all those as the lingam. So it is ahankarascha buddhischa. So ahankara, buddhi and pancha pranendriyanicha, 5 pranas and 5 indriyas, 5 vital force, prana apana vyana udana samanas, and 5 indriyas, jnanendriya, karmendriya, all 5 division stuff is lingam. It is known as lingam prajna. सएव जीवसंज्ञश्च लोके भात् जगन्मयः आचार्यान् आद्य विद्यैव कारणोपाधिरुच्यते. स्थूलं सूक्ष्मं कारणाख्यम उपाधि त्रिविधं चितेः एतैर्विशिष्टो जीवः स्याद् विमुक्तः परमेश्वरः. So he says स्थूलं the gross, सूक्ष्मं the subtle, and कारणं causal, the causes, upadhihi the upadhis are the symbols like body. Upadhi, dhi means mind, upadhi which mind can capture, a form and a name. Only two things mind can capture. So the sthulam, the body, and indriyas are the sthula upadhis. Mind and intellect are the sukshma upadhis, and the vasanas behind this, all that fundamental bunches of likes and dislikes which are defining an individual, those will be called as karana upadhi. So all these 3 upadhis, tritayam chitehe, for the chit, for the individual memory, these 3 different things are the differentiating factors. So etad visishto jivaha, one who is differentiated by these upadhis is the jiva, and one who is syad vimuktaha, one who is free from them, is the Parameshwara. So he goes on saying that several slokas. So the idea is to cover several other things, so we will not cover each one. Tvatpada bhakti yuktanam vijnanam bhavati kramat tasmat yadbhakti yukta ye mukti bhajastu yevahi. So one who has surrendered at your lotus foot, knowledge will come, mukti will come. So only those are suitable for knowledge and mukti. Aham tvadbhakta bhaktanam tadbhaktanam cha kinkaraha ato mamanugruhnishva mohayasva namam prabho. So you give anugraha to me, don't try to delude me saying that by doing namaskara and respect to me. Tvannabhi kamalotpanno brahma me janaka prabho. The nabhi kamala, from your nabhi kamala what comes out in that flower, in the kamala, Brahma is born. He is my father, my me janaka prabho. Atas tavaham pautrosmi. So I am your grandson. Bhaktam mam pahi raghava. By praying like this, Narada reminds Rama that there are going to be the Rajyabhisheka Sannahas which are going to happen. You have to somehow manage it and continue to do your work of Yadi Rajyabhisamsakto Ravanam na hanisyati pratigna te kruta Rama bhubhara haranaya vai. So Rama, you came here with a pratigna to kill Ravana. So yadi, in case Rajyabhisamsakto, you get into the Rajya, taking care of the Rajya before performing that action here. Ravanam nahinahyasyati, you will not be able to go and kill Ravana. So you have to take care. Then Rama says, Srunu Narada me kinchit vadyame viditam kvachit pratignatantu yat purvam karishye tanna samseyaha. Whatever I have done pratigna, I will definitely get it done. किंतु कालानुरोधेन तत्तत् प्रारब्ध संक्षयात् हरिष्ये सर्वभूभारं क्रमेणासुर मंडलम. So this is a very important sloka. Kintu kalanurodhena, by the means of movement of time, kalanurodhena tattat prarabdha sankhayat, that prarabdha, whatever fruitification of the sankhayat, Harishye sarva bhubharam. I will remove all the bhubharam. Whoever is causing trouble on this earth, they all will be removed. Kremena asura mandalam. Slowly, one by one, asura mandalam will be removed here. Ravanasya vinasartham shyo ganta dandakavanam chaturdasa samastatra yushitva muniveshadhrik. So I am going to go to Dandakaranya for 14 years and perform my activity. Assuring that, taking that assurance, Narada moves away. That is the first sarga of the Kanda. Then we will go to the second sarga. So second sarga is basically the Rajyabhisheka Sannaham. So Dasharatha wanted to do the Abhisheka to Rama. Then he asks Vasishtha to create all that or bring all that required ingredients to perform that Rajyabhisheka, and asks him to also inform Rama that tomorrow you will be coronated onto the prince as a Yuvaraja. So here Vasishtha actually does a small stotra to Rama. Stotra or a discussion between Vasishtha and Rama which happens. So Radhamaruhya Bhagavan Vasishto Munisattamaha Trini Kakshanyatikrama Radhat Kshitimavatarat. So Vasishtha entered the inner apartment of that palace where Rama is staying, and nobody obstructed him because he is the guru. He went inside. Pratyugamya namaskritya dandavat bhakti samyutaha. Rama's behavior to Vasishtha, I want to highlight a bit here. Pratyugamya, coming opposite to him, like knowing that Vasishtha is entering, Rama went ahead to greet him. Namaskritya dandavat bhakti samyutaha, like a stick falling. He fell at the feet of Dandavat Bhakti Samyutaha. Swarnapatrena Paniyam Aniyasu Janaki. Asked the wife to bring the in a golden vessel water. So that water has been Ratnasane Samavesya Padavu Prakshalya Bhaktitaha, making him sit in a Ratnasana, best of the asanas, best of the seats, making him sit there. Tadapah Sirasa Tad Apaha Sirasa Dhrutva Setaya Saha Raghava. Having washed the feet of Guru, taking that water, putting Prakshalya Bhaktitaha with the devotion, Prakshalya, and putting on the head. Tadapaha Sirasa Dhrutva, putting on the head, Setaya Saha Raghava. Dhanyosmi Tyabravid Rama Stava Padambudharanat Sri Ramenaiva Muktastu Prahasan Munirabdravit. So Rama said, Dhanyosmi, I have become accomplished by you arriving here and I being able to wash your feet and putting the water on my head. Tvatpada Salilam Dhrutva Dhanyo Abhud. So then Prahasan Munirabdravit. Muni, now here Muni is Vasishtha Maharshi is saying, Prahasan, with a smile on his Prahasan, with a smile, Munirabdravit, he said, Tvatpada Salilam Dhrutva Girijapatihi, and the water flowing from your feet has fallen on the head of Girijapati. He became Dhanya. Brahmapi Matpita Tehi Pradatirtha Hartasubhaha. My father Brahma also is purified by your Padatirtha. Idanim Bhashase Yatvam Lokanam Upadesakrit Janamitvam Paratmanam Lakshmya Sanjatam Ishwaram. So I know that you are the Supreme God, but you are doing all these things to teach people how to behave. That also I know. Devakaryardha siddhyartham bhaktanam bhakti siddhaye ravanasya vadarthaya jatan janami Raghava. O Raghava, I know that you are born for the sake of removing Ravana from here. Tadhapi devakaryartham guhyam nodhatayamyaham yathatvam mayaya sarvam karoshi raghunandhana. By your effect of the deluding potency Maya, the all acting potency Maya or the Prakriti, you do everything. Antaryami Jagad Yatra Travaha Kasyam Agocharaha Suddha Sattvamayam Deham Dhrutva Swadhina Sambhavam Manushyayev Lokesmin Bhasitvam Yogamayaya Paurohitatvam Aham Jane Vigarham Dushya Jivanam. So this is another point actually. Even Shankaracharya in Sivaparadha Sakshamapana also he brings up this point. Paurahityam Madhavatyam Sakshivadam Parannam Mabhudyevam Mama Pasupate Janma Janmantarepi. So a lot of people don't understand the meaning of it. So the Paurohityam are taking up a job of well-wishing to the people. Paurohityam, that is known as Paurohityam, which is a job of the rishis and sages. But Paurohityam ahanjane vigarham dushya jivanam. So people, it is not a right jivana, it is not a way to live. This is Rajapurohita of Ikshvaku Vamsa. Vasishta is saying this statement here. Ikshvakunam kule ramaha paramatma janishyate iti jnatam maya purvam brahmana kadhitam pura. So in the Ikshvaku Vamsa, Paramatma is going to be born. So that has been told by Brahma to me. So kadhitam pura tato hamasaya rama tava sambandha kankshaya. So to get a relationship with you, I am doing this garhitam, which is not a great job to do, but I am doing this job. Why it is garhitam is a second, it is a different point altogether. I have to deal with it separately in a different video sometime. Kadhitam pura tato mama tato ततोहम आशया राम तव संबंधकांक्षया अकार्ष्यम गर्हितमपि तवाचार्यत्व सिद्धये तव आचार्यत्व सिद्धये. To be called as your acharya, I have been doing this work for ages. For several people who are going in the Ikshvaku Vamsa, he has been doing the Paurohityam for them just to become Guru of Rama. That is that for that sambandha, for that getting that relationship between Rama. Tato manoradho me adhya phalito raghunandanaha tadadhina mahamaya sarvalokaika mohini. So he goes on saying that again. He says Rama, he says few more slokas. I will skip those slokas, and he says krutva suchir bhumisayi Bhava Rama Jitendriya Gachami Rajasanyadhyam Tvam Tu Pratar Gamishyati. So I am going to the king. King has asked, king is Dasharatha, asked me to inform you this tomorrow you have this ceremony. So you have to take fasting and sleep on the floor for the tomorrow. I am going to Rajasanyadhyam and tomorrow you will go. Tvam tu pratar gamishyati. So he is indicating that you will go to Dandakaranya in one way, you will also go to the Rajasanyadhyam in other. This is the Slesharankara used by sage Vyasa here. So Pratar Gamishyati, this is the word told by Vasishta. Vyasa is retelling it to us in this Brahmana Purana. We are reading it here. So by saying this, he went away. At that same time, so how do you want to deal with it? You deal with it. So the indication has been given to Rama. Srutvate harshasam. So at that time, etasmin antare deva devim vanim achodayan. So the gods have put Vani, the Saraswati, onto the job, saying that Gacha Devi Bhuvo Loka Mayo Bhuvo Lokam Ayodhyayam Prayatnataha Rama Abhisheka Vignardham Yatasva Brahmavakyataha. మంధరాం ప్రవిశాస్యాద్యౌ కైకేయీంచ తతః పరం తతో విఘ్నే సముత్పన్నే పునరేహి దివం శుభే తథేత్యుక్తా తథాచక్రే ప్రవివేశాధ మంధరాం. So they have asked Saraswati to get into the mind of Mandhara, mind of Kaikeyi, and do the Vigna to Rama Abhisheka. If Rama's Abhisheka happens, the actual Avatara Prayojanam will not happen. Then she went into Kubja. The story is well known, and we will move on. So the third sarga is about Kaika getting these two boons, and Kaikeyi asking Rama to go to the forest, and Bharata to be coronated. And then in the Chaturtha sarga is about Rama's preparation to go to the forest, and Lakshmana and Sita joining him together, and then he gets the permission from his mother, blessings from his mother, and they actually go to forest. And in the fifth sarga is actual going to the forest, and all that journey until Ganga. Then crossing the Ganga. Sixth sarga is about crossing the Ganga and meeting the sages. And there is a meeting Valmiki here in the Adhyatma Ramayana. I don't remember that meeting Valmiki in the Valmiki Ramayana. In here it is there. So then in the seventh sarga, Sumantra coming back to, after leaving Rama, this returning back to the Ayodhya, and Dasharatha listening to this news, being worried. They have gone to the forest, like not able to take this whole changes in the whole of this. He will leave the body, go into, then Bharata coming back and doing the Antyeshti samskaras of Dasharatha. So after doing all these things, Kaikeyi is saying that okay, your father has such a curse that he once accidentally killed a boy, and there is a story, well-known story again. So the story goes, because the father and mother are the old and blind, the boy is taking care of them. The boy has come and filling the water, and Dasharatha, that filling the water into the pot sounds as if there is an elephant which is drinking the water. Using that sound, Sabdabedha Vidya, he puts an arrow and it goes and hits the boy, and boy is dead. Then taking the dead body, he goes to the parents, figuring out where they are, and they curse him, saying that you also will die in the Putra Soka, for by crying for your son you will die. At that time Dasharatha don't even have a son, so he thinks, okay, that is only better, then I should have a putra, then I will have Putra Soka to die. So anyway, that happens, and then Bharata will not accept this. Vasishta comes there again. Vasishto munibhihi sartham mantribhihi parivaritaha. In the beginning of 8th sarga, Rajna Sabham Devasabham Sannibhasam Visadvidbhuhu. So he calls for an assembly, and in the assembly he asks Bharata to take up the responsibility of ruling the kingdom, and he rejects that, and he says, I will convince my brother, and goes to the brother. All the mothers, 3 mothers all will reach the Rama. So 9th sarga is about Bharatas and Rama Bharata Samagamam. So they both discuss, and Bharata says, father, just like that he gave even mother now is saying she don't want those boons. You can come back, you are the righteous owner of this. All this, several dharmic discussions will happen, and finally Rama concludes, as per dharma he has to take this 14 years of vanavasa. Then after that he will come back, he will assure that he will come back. Then Rama concludes that. At that time Bharata says, okay, I will take your padukas and do continue my continue the taking care of Rajya Paripalana. Until that 14 years, one day you delay also, I will enter fire and die. With that kind of a dire consequence, he is asking Rama to come back without any delay. So here also underlying, it is all about Ravana's killing which has to happen. So at that instance, we have this Kaikeyi actually says few words. So here the Kaikeyi is stotra to Rama. So this is 55th sloka onwards for few slokas, about 61 few slokas is what we are going to read. Kaikeyi Ramam ekrante Sravannetra Jalakula Pranjali prahe he Rama Tava Rajya Vighatanam. So putting the Pranjali Rama, he Rama Tava Rajya Vighatanam I have done. Kratamaya Dushtadhiya Maya Mohita Chetasa Kshamasva Mama Dauratmyam Kshamasarahi Sadhavaha. So you are a highly compassionate, Kshamasarahi Sadhu. You are a Sadhu. So you have to forgive me, Kshamasva, for my Dauratmyam. Duratma, a bad intention. Dauratmyam. Kratamaya Dushtadhiya, a bad mind with a bad intention. Dauratyam Dushtadhiya Maya Mohita Chetasa, having deluded by the Maya Moha, Mohita Chetasa. She is giving three reasons why she has done. Maya Mohita Chetasa, Dushtadhiya, Kshamasva Mama Dauratmyam, bad intention, bad mind, bad thought process, and the problem of delusion. Maya Mohita Chetasa. Dushtadhiya Maya Mohita Chetasa Kshamasva Mama Dauratmyam Kshamasarahi Sadhavaha Tvam Sakshad Vishnu Ravyaktaha Paramatma Sanatanaha Maya Manusha Rupena Mohaisyakilam Jagat Tvayaiva Prerito Lokaha Kurute Sadhu Asadhuva. So the three lines, one sloka. Tvam Sakshad Vishnu Ravyaktaha. You are verily the Vishnu, Avyaktaha, who is not been Vyaktaha. Vyakti is a person, individual. Non-individualizable Avyaktaha. Paramatma is the soul of everybody, Paramatma, super soul, Sanatanaha, eternal. Maya Manusha Rupena, by taking up a form of human being, Moha is Yakhilam Jagat, deluding all the world. Tvayaiva prerito lokaha kurute sadhu asadhuva. Tvaya eva prerite loko. By you instigated, prerita, by prerana, giving the ignition, lokaha kurute, in the world people, kurute, sadhu asadhuva, either right things or wrong things. Both are tvayaiva tvadadhinamidam vishwam asvatantram karoti kim యథా కృత్రిమ నర్తక్యో నృత్యంతి కుహకేచ్ఛయా. లైక్ ఏ రోబోటిక్ డాన్సర్, కృత్రిమ నర్తక్యో నృత్యంతి కుహకేచ్ఛయా. సో బై ద పరతంత్ర, నౌ షీ ఈజ్ అట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ద పరతంత్ర మీన్స్ నాట్ స్వతంత్ర, as her own. She is tvadadhinamidam vishwam, your, under your adhinam, in the guidance only the whole world is moving. Twadadhina tadamaya nartaki bahurupini. So there is a maya or the nartaki, dancer, or the prakriti who is making the whole thing dance, like a krutrima nartakyo nrityanti. Twadadhina tadamaya nartaki bahurupini, who is having multiple forms, bahurupini. Tvayaiva preritahancha devakaryam karishyata. By you instigated in my mind, I have done the devakaryam, what God's devas wants me to do, that I have done. Papishtam papamanasa karmachara marindama adya pratitosi mama devanam namapyagochara, mama devanam api agocharaha. Pahi vishweshwarananta jagannatha namostute chindi snehamayam pasam putra vittadi gocharam. So having said this, okay, papam papishtam, this is why thinking of vice, papa manasa karmachara marindamaha, karma acharam arindamaha adya pratitosi, now I have recognized that mama devanam api agocharaha. So I have seen the divinity in you now. Api agocharaha, for devanam, for the gods also, what is not visible, I have seen that now. So now pahi vishweshwarananta jagannatha namostute. So you protect me, pahi vishweshwara ananta jagannatha namostute. I am bowing down, I am doing namas to you. Chindi snehamayam pasam. So cut this attachment, snehamayam pasam, which is attaching me and bonding me with putra vittadi gocharam, of my son, my wealth, my visible things. Putra vittadi gocharam, whatever is there as mine, my son, my this thing gocharam, what is seen. Tvad jnananala khadgena, by your wisdom, jnana anala khadgena, the fire of wisdom, the sword which is made of fire of wisdom, tvamaham saranangata, by which by chindi, you cut away. That is what she is saying. With what? Tvad jnana anala khadgena tvamaham saranangata. This is what she has asked. So in every stotra again, to re-emphasize the matter, there is a stuti, there is a realization what they have realized of Rama, and they request something from Rama. Kaikeyi's request is very unique. What she is asking, papishtam papa manasa karmachara marindamaha adya pratitosi mama devanamya apyagocharaha pahi vishweshwarananta jagannatha namostute chindi snehamayam pasam putra vittadi gocharam tvad జ్ఞానానల ఖడ్గేన త్వామహం శరణంగత. కైకేయ్యా వచనం శ్రుత్వా రామః సస్మితం అబ్రవీత్. హ్యావింగ్ హెర్డ్ దిస్, రామ విత్ ఏ స్మైలింగ్ ఫేస్ సస్మితం అబ్రవీత్, యదాహమాం మహాభాగే నానృతం సత్యమేవ తత్ మయైవ ప్రేరితా వాణి తవ వక్త్రాద్ వినర్గిత. బై మై ఓన్ ఇంటెన్షన్ ఇట్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మౌత్. తవ వక్త్రాద్ వినిర్గత, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టెల్ has been told by your from your mouth. Devakaryardha siddhyardham atra dosha kutastavaha. For the sake of God's karya, you have done it. Where is the dosha? There is no defect in it. The dosha kutastava. Gachatvam hrudimam nityam bhavayanti divanisam. Gachatvam, you go, and hrudimam nityam, always you will bhavayanti, you will emotionally, bhava is the emotion. Bhavayanti mama, of my bhava, of my own emotion. Divanisam, night and day. Sarvatra vigata sneha madbhaktya mokshase chirat. Sarvatra vigata sneha. Sarvatra, with everything, vigata sneha, attachment gone away. Sarvatra vigata sneha madbhaktya mokshase achirat. Within no long, achirat, chirat is long, achita, sarvatra vigata sneha madbhaktya, by the devotion towards me, moksha se chirat, you will be moksha se, you will be released from achirat in no time, less time. Ahas sarvatra samyadrug dveshyo va priyayeva va. I am always equal seeing. I don't have anybody who to hate or priya, who to love. There is nobody who I love, nobody who I hate. Priya eva. Nasti me kalpakasyeva bhajato anu bhajamyaham man maya mohita dhiyo mam amba manujakrutim. So nasti me kalpakasyeva bhajato anubhajyaham man maya mohita dhiyo mam amba manujakrutim. People who consider me as a human being, manujakrutim, amba, O mother, man maya mohita dhiyo, so they will be deluded in the maya moha itself. Kalpakasyeva bhajato, even for whole kalpa they do bhajana to me. Bhajato is just external worship, not realizing the true nature of Rama. Sukhadukhatyanugatam jananti natu tattvataha. They keep going into these pains and pleasures. Sukhadukhatyanugatam jananti natu tattvataha. Dishtva madgocharam jnanamutpannante bhavapaham. Only jananti natu tattvataha, not knowing the original tattva, the true meaning of me. Madgocharam jnana mutpatante bhavapaham. So they have to get that jnana. Only then they will be coming out of this sukha dukkha duality. Smaranti tishta bhavane vipyasena cha karmabhihi yutyukta sa parikramya ramam sananda vismaya. So having heard this anugnya from Rama, parikramya, again this will get going around in a pradakshina. She went to her own place. Smaranti tishta pranamya sataso bhuyo yayo geham mudanvita bharatastu sahamatyir matrubhir guruna saha. Matrubhihi guruna saha. With other mothers, Bharata has, along with the mothers, taking all the mothers, he has gone to yayo geham, to the own house they have gone. After that, there is a little bit and to end the 9th Sarga and also the Aranya Kanda. Then actually Rama goes to Atri Maharshi's ashrama, Atri Anasuya. So Anasuya Devi, Atri Maharshi actually says, Bharyameti va samruddha hanasuyeti vishruta. Bharyameti va samruddha hyanasuyeti vishruta. Tapascharanti suchiram dharmagnya dharmavatsala. Antastishtati tam Sita pasyatvarishudana tadheti janakim praha ramo rajivalochana. Gachadevim namaskritya sighramehi punashubhe tadhehi ramavachanam Sita chapi tatha karot. Having went to Atri Maharshi ashrama, Atri Maharshi is telling about his wife. What he is saying? Bharya me ativa samruddha. Very old Bharya, ativa samruddha. Anasuyeti vishruta, known as Anasuya, na asuya, not having jealousy. Anasuyeti vishruta. Tapascharanti suchiram. She is doing tapas for long time. Dharmagnya dharmavatsala. So she is dharmagnya, she knows the dharma. Dharmavatsala, she loves dharma. She knows dharma, she loves dharmavatsala. Antastishtati tam Sita pasyatyarishudana. Let Sita go and see her, is the Atri Maharshi is saying. Tadhehi Janakim Praha Ramo Rajivalochana. Rama is telling. Gachadevim Namaskritya Sigramehi Punah Subhe Tadheti Ramavachan Sita Chapi Tatha Karot. Go inside, do the Namaskara and come back, listen to her and come back. So basically Anasuya gives her two wonderful kundalas, powerful kundalas and two pairs of saris and a lot of angaragas, means angaraga means the creams, and angaragancha setayai dado divyam subhanana natyakchakshate angaragena sobhatvam kamalanane. So one thing with Vaidehi or the Sita Mata, Rama, he always been born as a human being. He behaves like a human being all through the Ramayana, all through his avatara, until that last sarga. At one point, all the devas will come and tell him the work is done. He can now know himself to be the supreme God. Even though in Adhyatma Ramayana everywhere everybody is saying that you are Vishnu, you are Vishnu, you are Vishnu, Rama is never accepting the fact that I am Vishnu anywhere. He always says I am Atma, I am supreme. Sometimes he will say that he will accept that I am a Adhyatmika entity, that he keeps accepting, but he will never accept him to be Lord Vishnu. This is very important distinction in the spirituality, because there is a lordship of Vishnu and there is a Paramatma Swarupa beyond Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara also. Rama is happy to accept that he is Paramatma. In every stuti, every time he is been asked for something, but he will never accept that he is Vishnu. So Pativratyam Puraskrutya, so this Ramatvameva Bhavanani Nidhayatesham Samrakshanaya Suramanusha Tiryagadin Dehan Bhivarticha Deha Gunair Viliptahas Twatwobhibhet Yakhila Mohakari Chamaya. So Atri Maharshi said only one statement. Again, Atri Maharshi is not doing a much of a stotra. 92nd sloka, last sloka of this thing is this: Ramatvameva bhuvanani vidhayatesham samrakshanaya cha suramanusha tiryagadin. So to take care of sura, gods, manusha, human beings, tiryagadin, even rakshasas are being taken care by you. Dehan bhibarshicha, you are filling the everybody's body. Bhibarshi, you are filling in, occupying everything. Deha gunair viliptaha, but not touched by the qualities of the Deha. Dehan Bhivarshicha, Deha Gunair Navilipta, Naliptaha, not being touched by them. Tvatto Bhibhetya Khila Mohakari Cha Maya. So, by the deluding everything through your Maya, the Maya also Bhibheti, so is under your control, your Bhaya, Bhi, Bha. Bhi here, Bhibheti is under your control, will work with a fear towards you. So with that, the Uma Maheswara Samvada, Ayodhya Kanda, 9th Sarga we have completed, and the Ayodhya Kanda is completed. Arta Vishannaschidhilascha Bhita Goreshu cha Vyadhishu Vartamana Sankirtya Narayana Sabdamatram Vimukta Dukha Sukhino Bhavanti. Sarvam Sri Uma Maheswara Brahmarpanamastu. Swasti. Let there be peace, health and wealth everywhere in this world by the grace of great Lord Rama. Swasti.